Hello Giants, Little Giant 8 here. Welcome back to another video, and just for you guys, warhead. We're gonna be eating this. Not just one warhead, not just 3 warheads, but 2 warheads, guys. Here's one, and then here's 2. So, ready to my reaction? I never actually ate 2 before. I only ate 1 at a time. Oh, guys, I'm not ready. I'm not nervous at all, but I'm just ready, guys. Okay, I don't even have any water. That's the bad thing. 3, 2 warheads. 3. It's gonna be terrible. 2, 1. Go. You know what? I'm just going for it. Guys, my friend ate 1 warhead and he was literally crying, so I just ate 2. Oh, my tongue is burning. I can feel my tongue numb. Yes, I know. You got the 1 point of warheads. Where's that good taste? I took 2 lemon. Here's proof. Here are the wrappers that I just had. Lemon. Wait for it to focus. Hold on. And then here's the other one I ate. I took where it says lemon. My tongue's numb, but the good flavors are finally here. Oh, I just licked my lips. That was stupid. Let's see what my tongue looks like. Oh, guys. I think I legit just lost my taste buds. Uh-oh. I'm good. Guys, the best thing to do is to keep, if you're eating warheads like I just did, keep them in the front, like right here, and have, if you're eating 2 or however many, keep them in the same spot. Because if you separate them, you're gonna have two things that are sour in both sides. But if you keep it in the middle, it's just gonna be on one side. If you keep it at 2, then it's both parts of your mouth that are sour. If you keep it 1, it's just one part. That's what I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this good flavor. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me eating 2 warheads. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So see you later. Peace.